In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a parent account and subsidiary accounts for multiple locations in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll be able to organize your accounts so you can clearly see income and expenses by location, while still keeping everything grouped under a single main account. Let's start inside QuickBooks Online. From anywhere in your file, look toward the upper right corner for the small gear icon, which is the Settings menu. Go ahead and click that. From the menu that opens, choose Chart of Accounts. This is the central place where all of your accounts live, and it's where we'll set up both the parent and the sub-accounts. Once the Chart of Accounts screen loads, look for the New button, usually near the top right of the list. Click New to create a brand new account. This is what you'll use for either a parent account or a sub-account. A setup window will appear asking for some details. First, enter an account name. Make this name clear and consistent, especially if you're creating multiple locations. For example, you might name the parent account something general, like Rent, and the sub-accounts something like Rent, Location A, and Rent, Location B. Next, choose the account type. This tells QuickBooks where the account will appear on your financial statements, such as an expense, income, or asset account. Right under that, pick the detail type. The detail type narrows down the purpose of the account, which helps keep your reporting accurate and organized. Take a moment to choose the most appropriate type so your reports make sense later. Now, to turn this into a subsidiary account, look for the checkbox that says, "Make this a sub-account." Click to check that box. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear for you to select the parent account. Open that drop-down and choose the parent account you want this new account to sit under. This is how you link multiple locations or categories back to one main account, keeping your chart of accounts structured but not overwhelming. Once you're happy with the name, account type, detail type, and parent account, click Save. QuickBooks will add this new sub-account to your chart of accounts. Repeat this same process for all of your subsidiary accounts for each location or category you need. When you're done, you'll see them listed as indented items underneath the parent account in the chart of accounts, giving you a clean, organized view of your financial data across multiple locations.